Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can finish chapter 1 of the winter update quest on Dress to Impress. So you're going to obviously go to the portal in the lobby or go to the servers and go to the winter town. Then you're faced with the first challenge, which is Santa's workshop. So you'll have to basically input the correct toy inside of the presents. There's a train one, a T-Rex one, a bike, and a doll, and you're just going to put it in the correct placement as I'm trying to do here. And you're just going to finish it until you have 28 presents. And then you're just going to keep doing that until you have 28 presents. It's easier if you have friends around and you kind of coordinate with them in putting which present. So again, there's the T-Rex one, the train, the doll, and the bicycle toy. After that, you'll be faced with this candy-themed obby. It was super hard, so make sure you invite at least one person who's really good at obbies, because you only need one person to complete it, and then you'll be teleported into the second chapter, and I will put the video in the description box down below, I think. But yeah, that is it for the first chapter of the winter update. I can't give you much tips on the obby because I really suck at it, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.